Hi, Ed Chasen with Slick Time Savers. I want to start this video off by walking through the Google keyword tool. The reason why I want to walk through is that a recent video series I created was a lot of concerns about the data that you get out of the keyword tool, and I want to walk through and make 3 points about what you're looking at here. First point I want to make is what kind of data is the Google keyword tool serving to you. Put your mouse over this little question mark and you will see that it says this is an approximate 12-month average of the searches that are being delivered monthly. So right off the bat you are looking at data that is old. It's an average of 12 months. The only way you can make some sense of this is by going over to where it says the local search trends and see when these numbers are at their highest. For instance, in gardening, most of the people are really looking at gardening in March, April, and May. In this particular case, this is showing that this has got a seasonal trend as opposed to, let's say, organic gardening, where their trend is a little more spread out. Second point I want to cover is that when I put in gardening, I had the keyword tool return back exact match and phrase match. Phrase matches in quotes. What that means that if you take gardening tips, there could be keywords in the back or keywords in the front or both. If you look over at the numbers for the phrase match, is typically always larger, much larger, 50% than the exact match. Let's take a look at vegetable gardens, even more drastic. So there is about 36,000 searches that are being made for long tail keywords that Google is not displaying here. I get the question all the time, is that Google isn't displaying searches for these long tail keywords. Will they be any good? Well, you look at it here. There's 36,000 searches that are being made for vegetable gardening as a phrase, which means that there's long tail keywords that are not being displayed here. What do you think? The last point I want to make is that if you target the phrase matches, the longer tail keywords, that if you look at the competition column, in most cases the competition is going to be less than if you're going to be going after the exact match. And just about every one of these you will see that by targeting the long tail, longer than what you're seeing here, you'll find less competition, more searches available for you, which is going to lead into a keyword tool I want to introduce to you to show you how you can uncover many of these long tail keywords.